Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Paratha. First, let's prepare the dough. Combine 2 cups of whole wheat flour with a half teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oil and gradually incorporate about 3/4 cup of water, kneading for 5 to 7 minutes until the dough is soft and pliable. Cover it and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a tender paratha. Now that our dough has rested, it's time to roll. Divide the dough into 8 equal portions, shaping each into a smooth ball. Take 1 ball and roll it into a small 3-inch circle. Brush a 1/4 teaspoon of oil over the surface and sprinkle a tiny pinch of flour. This creates those lovely layers. Fold it into a semicircle, then into a triangle and roll it out thinly, about 6 to 7 inches in diameter. With our parathas rolled, let's get cooking. Heat a flat griddle or tawa over medium-high heat until it's nice and hot. Carefully place 1 rolled paratha onto the griddle. Cook for about 30 seconds on each side until you see light brown spots forming. Then, apply about a half teaspoon of oil to each side, pressing gently, and continue cooking until both sides are beautifully golden brown and crisp. Your delicious Desi parathas are ready. Serve them hot off the griddle for the most enjoyable experience. They are wonderfully versatile. Try them with a dollop of fresh butter, a spoonful of tangy homemade pickle, or alongside your favorite curry. A simple cup of hot chai also makes a perfect accompaniment. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.